Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite grilled cheese sandwich. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have butter, we have smokehouse cheddar, and we have sourdough bread. Alright, let's prep these ingredients. Now we're going to put this sandwich together, but before we do that, we're going to move over to the stove and get this pan on low. That's right, I said low. Now that the pan is heating up, we're going to move back over here. Now a lot of people do a couple things wrong when they make grilled cheese sandwiches. One is they have the pan up too high and it doesn't give cheese a chance to melt. And then they start squishing and doing all that kind of stuff. Another thing is they don't let their butter become room temperature. We're going to take this butter, cut half of it, and spread one half on a slice of bread. Another thing, this is a sturdy bread, so it can take a little pressing. Now I like to take the bread, put it down like that. These are really thin pieces of cheese, so we're going to use 2. And we're gonna butter this side. Instead of putting butter in the pan and then look what I did, it'll be fine. Oh, instead of putting butter in the pan then chasing the butter all over, we're going to resist the desire to squish. Spatula ready to flip. Over here I have a nice salad that I'm gonna have with my grilled cheese sandwich for lunch. It's better if you give it a lot of butter, you let it cook gently. You can see now that the edges are starting to melt. And once the edges start to melt, see, it's getting brown. It's almost ready to turn. And when we turn it, we can turn it up a little bit higher. Remember, I have it on low, but we can turn it to medium low. But you have to watch it carefully because you turn up the heat, it's gonna cook quicker. But the most important thing is to get the cheese melted and a nice even brown on both sides. Now we're gonna flip this guy over like a boss. Okay guys, let's check and see what's happening. Yeah, that's about right. If you like it darker, cook it longer, you know the drill. A grilled cheese sandwich is one of those things you definitely want to eat while it's hot. Now, here's a bread knife. I'm using this so I don't squish my sandwich. Just let the knife do the work. And there we have it, guys. The perfect grilled cheese sandwich. Yo, for this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Thanks for watching. Share my videos and recipes. And if you haven't already, subscribe. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.